Hello guys, it's Lilith, back again after a bit of a hiatus. Just wanted to make a video for you guys today on how I decided to decorate and fill this bottle I got. Got it at the Halloween store. I'll try to leave a link online if I find any. Here's all the stuff I put in mine. You can put herbs, incense, crystals. I put some sage and some baby's breath, as well as a packet from all of basically the supplies I used in the last love spell I did before I met my boyfriend. So I thought, hey, that's successful, keep that with me. And then a little scroll with some powerful sigils, or at least ones that I am favorable to. This is so customizable for whatever you're working towards right now. Whatever spell working you're doing, this can apply to that. So for my little scroll paper, I crumpled it up, opened it up a million times, and lit it with some fire to give it some aging. Once that had the effect I liked, I added some sigils to it. I added a pentagram with the moon goddess on either side with a pentacle in the middle. I did a symbol for love as well as the symbol for fortune. And this can, again, be anything you want. It could be some helpful words. If you're still on your path and don't really want to pick out sigils, you could just put some motivational things on there for yourself. Then I rolled up my little spell scroll and I sealed it in the middle with some wire just so I knew it wouldn't come undone. You could use twine or string for this, whatever you prefer is fine. And then I started putting everything in my little bottle. I found this at a Halloween store. You could find a different variation of this online. I'm going to look for a link to give you guys for something similar to this. If I can't find any though, search the Googles. That's probably your best bet. I kept this on me for a couple days after I made it, and it just made me really happy. For one thing, the container is really cool, but just to have all of some of my favorite things with me really made me happy. The crystal I'm really sentimental about, and my best friend gave it to me. The baby's breath is from the first bouquet that my boyfriend got for me. Yeah, it's something to fill with anything you like. I put some sage in there as well. And there's some rosemary. So this is the final look. Just strap it on your belt however you like. You could honestly make something like this out of leather in a bottle as well. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.